charge mode.
How many yards should we stand back?
You'll be fine. Are you familiar with how these operate? Basically,
Sort of.
so you have the you're charging up the capacitor bank,
Yes.
so it's storing a huge charge.
Yes.
And then you discharge it all at once through this coil.
Okay.
So this is, I believe, 6-gauge wire.
Okay. Oh,
And
6
there's
gauge. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6, maybe 7 channels total.
Okay.
So that basically forms a coil, which when you're dumping a lot of current through there, it creates a big magnetic field.
Okay.
And then this,
Should I take my phone to the other room?
no, you're fine. This is basically a wire.
Right.
It's a hard drive platter. It's a piece of aluminum.
Yep.
So whenever you have a magnetic field and you put a wire in it, then you induce current in it.
Yes.
So then whenever you have electricity going in a wire, that creates a magnetic field. And so what happens is this creates a magnetic field that's opposite the magnetic field this has, which will cause the hard drive platter to shoot up into the sky.
Okay. Makes sense.
So, charging. So 400 volts, 600 volts, 700. Take it up to about 1,000 or so.
Oh shit!
That hit the ceiling?
That hit the ceiling. That's 35 feet.
Okay.
Approximately. Yep. About 35 feet. Wow.
So,
Somewhere in this hard drive.
so putting on jump, there was like 26 volts left in the bank.
We should do this outside.
Yeah, we'll have to do a test outside to see how far.
We'll never get it off the roof when it lands, but
Well, we can go out a ways. Hopefully there's no cars out there. But that gave a nice bang.
that was pretty good.
Try it again.
Nice sharp bang.
Alright. Now the limiting factor, I think, in this is the little wire braid wires on the contactor. There, it's 1,300. At Mini Maker Fair, the ceilings are a little lower, so I'm going to have to go around like 600-700 volts.
They're a lot lower than that.
Yeah.
Actually, I think it's only 12 feet in the dark room.
Yeah.
We have 17 if you do it out in like the middle of any of the ballrooms.
Then I'm going back and forth between the Tesla
Yeah.
coil and the...
Yeah, then you'd be
Dark
going back
room.
and forth, so that doesn't make a whole lot of sense.
Is it safe? Is it in safe mode?
Mark's radio boxes.
So, hard drive platter. It's shattered the coil. That's the high voltage probe there.
Okay.
Low voltage transformer, high voltage transformer. This switches between charge and dump. There's a little high voltage relay there. So if it's in dump, it basically shorts the resistor bank there, so it makes it safe on the high voltage.
You saw that in your video, you watched the voltage drop on your meter.
How you going?
I'll go 1,500. So at 800, 900,
It's like an odd job.
1,200, 1,400, 1,500.
I know.
We lost one up there.
Step away from the fire.
So this part needs to be stronger because it's shattered the acrylic. Otherwise, it tends to work pretty well. When I'm running at like 1500 volts, that actually deflects this piece of there. Oh, it looks like it broke one of the wire ties too, so I'll have to make this a little stronger, but otherwise it's holding up. The braid there is probably the weakest point in the circuit, so I'll probably double or triple that up just to make sure it holds up.